It looks like a monster truck.
It looks ridiculous. You cut this out of this one and trim this side down a little bit. You also need to clean these guys up and cut them down, so.
Why?
Nothing. I'm just going right here. God damn. That was tighter than it needed to be. Pretty damn good cut.
Very good, babe.
Thank you. Now I know where the wheel is going to be located in distance from the frame. It's easier to make it just right here instead of on the bench. Before I didn't have the wheel, so I didn't know exactly where it was going to be.
Be careful.
I'm so careful. So unbelievably careful. That is way more in alignment than this one. You know?
Yeah.
Alright, cut that and notch it.
Gregory.
Sorry, I forgot I just welded that somehow.
Is your finger okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. Okay, I'm gonna take a sliver off of this part right here. I want it to kind of sit like that.
Good job.
Thank you. I need to notch both things.
Looks massive, and those wheels make it look so like
beefy.
Yeah.
The final product.
Okay, so we're adding a brace for the shock mounts.
Yeah, we have to add the lower brace because clearly the shock is not long enough to reach down here. And I mean, if we were to make it down here like this, then the wheel will have way too much leverage over the shock because it'll be several inches out further. So I'm gonna add this brace in here. We'll increase the height of it, and it'll look pretty freaking cool too while it's doing it. Tight. I gotta bend it a little bit more.
Oh, it's perfect.
No.
Oh, no.
Yeah, I gotta bend.
Yeah, I see it. Okay.
It's okay. That's why I took it out, so that's good if I needed to.
I was gonna say something, but then I was like, no, let me just let him do his thing.
Don't you love how I'm putting it on something that rolls? Oh.
Is that too much? It's perfect.
Yeah, it's pretty damn close. So clearly this is a nicer swoop of a bend, but
Great job.
thank you. Do a little marky mark. Take this out a ways away just so I have room to play with. What is making that god-awful noise? Oh, jerk. Making my blade go dull faster too, probably. Not too shabby. Alright, so we're gonna need to take some more off of this side. So let's see what that gets us when I take that off. Here's the thing.
It needs to sit right where everything else is welded, right? For it to be the most stable.
Yeah, I think it would definitely be the strongest if it was right there like that, where all the other three were.
So you need to just...
So I don't know if that means that, I think I just need to notch it. I think I just need to notch it and then, you know, so that way it slides into place and good to go.
Good job.
It's a little bit further than I'd like it, I think.
You want to notch it a little bit more?
You know what I might do? I don't kind of like quite how high this is coming up.
Okay.
So what I might do is I might take a little bit off on this end. That way this will make it drop down. And when this comes down, it'll be a little bit closer too.
Before you do anything, decide where you're going to cut it and then measure it out on the other side.
Say that again?
Before you do anything, like decide where you're going to cut it, mark it, and then do the same thing on the other side.
These arms aren't perfectly symmetrical.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. But I like where your head's at, baby. So the other side's basically perfect already with the scrap piece. So I'm just gonna notch this so it's nicer, and then
Yeah, that's definitely even on both sides too.
yeah. I mean that's twisted a little bit, but and then I can make this lower arm super strong by just trellising between this point here and this point here with like 2 small pieces of tube, and the same on the back side. And it'll look really beefy, and then this thing is it's gonna take so much abuse, it'll be perfectly fine. Look, that's even staying by itself. It's like it was meant to be.
It looks really good.
Thank you.
Excellent job.
That looks so fucking cool.
That's not notched in, babe. There you go.
Alright, moment of truth. A little bit anticlimactic, but it's a good thing. Front suspension is pretty soft.
Way different than the back suspension.
What do you say?
Way different than the back suspension.
Yeah, but that's because the
So jump on it or no?
yeah, it's,
Oh, the wheel just...
I don't know. That's because there's no
Steering.
steering. It's a roller again.
Those wheels look sick.
I know, right?
Mm-hmm.
If I could do that. Huh.
Yeah, but like you said, it's only because there's no steering.
Yeah. Well, I'm just wondering why that. Lean back like that as much. See, look at that. Okay, it's not a big deal, but it's supposed to be doing that, right? Because what happens is, as this turns back, it tries to twist. Because this isn't perfectly up and down, it's putting energy into this, into like the shock and everything, and lifting the machine up. See how the machine comes up and down?
Yeah.
So it pushes it back to being straight, which is actually really nice, which is what you kind of want. I don't know if that's...
Well, wait, there's no steering yet, so they're gonna go all over the place.
Yeah.
Jump on the back suspension. Do the front again.
Front suspension is actually fucking perfect. It's perfect. It's exactly how stiff I wanted it. If I wish the rear would be a little bit more like the front, but.
Do on the back again? I want to get it from the side. That looks fucking insane. Come over here. It looks like a monster truck.
It does. It looks ridiculous.
Excellent job, baby.
Thank you. It looks so good.
It really, really does.
It is really, really coming together. Oh my God.